right, y'all, let's see. All right, perfect. That thing right on display. Make sure you get that Academy or you get a limit. We Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Big Play Ray coming to y'all with another video. We are back on the road again in Jeepers Creepers, guys. So we are on our way. By the way, we just hit 170 on the miles on Jeepers Creepers, but well, yesterday, well, when we went to Alabama. So today I'm about to hit this 2-hour drive, and we are about to go to what do you call that? We got a 2-hour drive, as you can see, and we are about to go to South Carolina to pick up that same color bumper. If y'all remember in yesterday's video, I told y'all that if I could have just went to South Carolina, period, but they text me the pictures as soon as like I walked out and like had paid for the stuff in Alabama. So it is what it is. It's all good, but we got the same color, and I'm going to be able to smack that boy on today. It's pretty decent outside. I don't even got a hat on today, as y'all can see, so it's pretty decent outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat this 2-hour ride up in Jeepers Creepers, man. I already done filled up. Cost me $67 to fill this thing up. Remember, this is the 4.8. This is not the 5.3. And yeah, man, I'll see you guys when I hit the South Carolina, man, so we can pick up this bumper. They already got it ready. I called them, so let's get it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I appreciate y'all for continuing to rock with your boy. All right, guys, I'm at Chick-fil-A, but bro, when I tell y'all, a guy just hit me up on Facebook and told me he will give me everything, the tail lights, the bumper, and the trunk for $350. I was like, it's not the same color, but I was just like, oh my God, but it's too late now, you feel me? So I'm stopping to get something to eat. I'm still an hour and 44 minutes out. I'll see you guys in a few. Crossing supporter, y'all. South Carolina. All right, guys. Hey, hopefully they got a trash can. I would just go right in the mud. Made it. Jeepers Creepers. That thing riding, man. You gotta go 2 hours back. So we are here. We're gonna see what they got for me. Well, I know what they got for me, but I'll see y'all when I come out of here. Check that out. Alrighty.
It should be right on that bank over there.
To the right, over here?
Yeah. Kind of behind that CRV, I want that.
Okay. All right, let's see what we got. Yep, I see M37.
Yep.
All right, y'all, let's see. All right. All right, perfect. Yep, I'll take it.
I'll load it up for you.
Okay. It's that car. Let's go. Yep. Okay. All right, y'all, we already got it, so let's go ahead and pay for it. And y'all see that Hellcat motor, right? Let me see. Let's show y'all the Hellcat motor. That thing right on display. All right, we got our bumper, y'all, just like that. 2-hour ride back. It might be like 2 hours and some change. We're gonna strap this up. I got some straps, so we're gonna strap this up, make sure this don't freaking go nowhere, you know. And yeah, I'm gonna just put some hooks on it and stuff, make sure it don't go nowhere. It shouldn't go nowhere, but y'all never know. You never know, you know. So looks good though, if I can say so myself, right? Clean that up a little bit. It looks like that'll come off. Hopefully that'll come off. So yep, let me strap it down, and we getting on the road. All right, guys, we are back at the crib. Let me show you guys what we got. So I'm gonna do a separate video. Oh snap. I think this came from over here. Y'all see I done already started taking the little side pieces off. This one has a white one on there. I would have went with the white, but I don't got two whites, so I gotta go with the black. Feel me? So we're going with the black on the side. I'm gonna take this one off. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take it off right now and attach it. Yeah. yeah, so I'm gonna do the bumper video, like how to remove a bumper and all that. That's gonna be a whole separate video. But right now, I'm about to just like voila, and y'all about to see it put on. So I'll catch you guys in a minute. Let's slap this thing on. So what you want to do is, you got to take all the clips off. Let me move this bumper. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't want to scratch it up. All right. So the first thing you want to do, open your trunk, and you want to take all of your little clips off. So they're going to be these clips here, like this, and this goes into here like this. Let me show y'all. I think it was one over here on the floor. I could have just showed y'all that, but anyway, they're going to be in here like this, and then this piece goes in here. So what you want to do, you want to take your screwdriver, you want to take this out, your flathead screwdriver, take this out, and then pull the whole thing out. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3, you have 4. Oh snap. Then you gotta go under the car and take those out up under the bottom. Let me show y'all those. You have 1, you have 2, you have 3. So 1, 2, 3. Is that it? I thought it was 4. I might be tripping. I guess, wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah, it's only 3. I don't know, I thought it was 4, but okay. So, yep, you want to take those out. And then after that, which is what my next step is to take these, I believe that's a 10. Let me make sure for you guys. So these here, yep. You want to loosen these. And you want to loosen these. And then you have 2 of those. This is going to be on each side. You got to move your fender liner just a little bit, and see that screw in there, right there. You're going to take your 10mm and take that out. Now it's 1 on each side. After that, your bumper should just come off. If it doesn't, I'm going to keep y'all updated and let y'all know what else I have to take off. But that's it. And your bumper should come right off. All right, now that we got everything off, all you do is pull. Might need 2 hands, hold on. There we go. Okay. And we should be good. Shouldn't nothing else be in there. Took that out right now. Yep. I might have to do a little bit more pulling. There we go. We still got something in there. All right, we might have. No, there's nothing else in there. Let me look. Let's look. We do too much pulling up. 1 on each side. So we got this one and we got the other one. So let me take those off. Those are 10mm as well. All right, and it just literally fell off when I did that. All right, so that's all you gotta do. Change your rear bumpers. Let me throw this in the truck. Hold on. Okay, let's go over that one more. Let's go over that one more time. All right. So what you want to do is, again, you want to take the clips out of here with a screwdriver, here with a screwdriver. You're going to take your 10mm out of here. If you go to the bottom of the car, the ones we just took out on each side, here and on the other side. And then, of course, you got your clips at the bottom that you need to take out. 1, 2, 3. And then, of course, last but not least, your 2 that are going to go right here on the side of each side. After that, bumper just comes off, and that's it. So let me slap this one back on. All right, and that's how you put a bumper on, just like that, y'all. So see it? Perfect, bro. We is done. Now we do got to get cleaned up. You feel me? But I'm gonna say that for another day. But this came out perfect, bro. Perfect. Oh, we do still gotta change our tail light. It should be in the mail. What time is it? I gotta call him and make sure he shipped that joint. Why they closed? So I'm gonna call him tomorrow, make sure he shipped it. He said Thursday, Friday. Today is a Wednesday. But I need my tail light, bro. He said he sent me a brand new one. I need that, you feel me? But I just put the other one on just now. Everything works. Everything still works. So y'all see it, man. That mug gets hooked up, man. What y'all think? Appreciate y'all, man, for tuning in and rocking with me. I'm gonna leave the M56. I'm gonna make it look like I got the big body, you feel me? But appreciate y'all for tuning in and rocking with me, man. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. I love y'all for y'all support. Head on over to whdacademy.com if y'all interested in learning how to do what I do. Y'all see what's going on. And I'm gonna get y'all some POV footage, some driving footage. We're done. Peace. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Just want to tell you guys about this Auto A-Stat research tool that I use to find out what's the history on all these Copart and insurance auto auction cars. It gets to tell you the auctions, how many auctions it's been to, the mileage, if the car has been staged by a dealer, as you can see. So if you would like to use this research tool, make sure you click the link in the description below.